Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread using baking powder. First, gather your dry ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Whisk these together thoroughly in a large bowl. This ensures the leavening agent is evenly distributed, which is crucial for a consistent rise. This simple step sets the foundation for delicious, quick bread. Now, let's add the wet ingredients to your dry mixture. Pour in 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Use a spoon or spatula to mix everything until it just comes together. Be careful not to overmix, as this can develop the gluten too much, resulting in a tough bread. A slightly lumpy dough is perfectly fine for this recipe. Next, turn your dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead it gently for about 1 minute, just enough to form a cohesive ball. You can shape it into a rustic round loaf or divide it into smaller rolls. Place your shaped dough on a baking sheet. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until golden brown. Once your bread is beautifully golden, remove it from the oven and let it cool on a wire rack for at least 10 minutes. This allows the internal structure to set, preventing a gummy texture. Slice it up and enjoy your warm, homemade bread with butter, jam, or alongside your favorite soup. It's incredibly satisfying to make something so delicious from scratch so quickly. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.